In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Miro and upload files easily. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by going to the Miro website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside, click on your profile or avatar icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Profile Settings. This will open your account settings at the top of the page. We'll click on the Integrations tab to view all available connections. Scroll down and find Google Drive in the list, then click the Connect button next to it. A pop-up window will appear where you'll need to select the Google account you want to link. After choosing your account, review the permissions, then click Allow to authorize access. Once completed, your Google Drive will now be successfully connected to Miro. Now let's try uploading a file. Go back to any Miro board. On the left side toolbar, click the Upload icon, which looks like an arrow pointing upward. From the menu, select Google Drive. This will allow you to import files like Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides directly into your board. At this point, you can either paste a Google Drive link or click on Upload Files to browse your drive. Your Google Drive window will appear, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Double-click a folder to open it. To upload a file, simply click on it and then select the button at the bottom, or double-click the file to open it instantly. The file will begin uploading to your board. Keep in mind that the loading time may vary depending on the file size and your internet connection. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your file successfully added to your Miro board and ready to use. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.